KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make a real fully loaded smoked chicken tropical style pasta salad. Alright, pretty interesting one, this one. It's just, I had things laying around, things I had to use up, and look, let's get on with it. A little bit of oil into a little fry pan, and I've got 2 or 3 eggs there which I've whisked up, and I'm going to make up a little bit of an omelette. Right, so we're just going to give that all a little bit of a stir, season that the way you want to, of course. You can add herbs or whatever you like, but we're just going to make up a little bit of an omelette, and that's going to add a little bit of extra protein to our pasta salad. Alright, that egg's done, we put that aside, and we'll chop that up a little bit later on and add that into our amazing little dish that we're making. Here I've got some little cherry tomatoes. I've just cut those in half, and I'm just going to put those into the same fry pan. Leave the oil as it is in there, it's not going to hurt them. We're just going to blister these up, and I'm going to flavour these up just a little bit extra, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to taste, of course. Okay, now we can start seeing a little bit of colour happening. I'm going to add in a nice thick balsamic vinegar on top, like a balsamic type glaze. You can buy that from your local supermarket. Get a bit of colour on those. They can go off to the side as well. Right, now as I said, this is a fully loaded type of dish. Alright, I'm going to make up a dressing. I've got a little bit of pomegranate molasses that I'll put in with around about half a cup of sour cream and half a cup of mayonnaise. Right, put that in, and it's going to give it a really interesting flavour to this. 2 to 3 spring onions finely sliced, that can go straight in, and this is going to be the most incredible salad dressing you've ever tasted. A little dash of garlic powder. If you want to use fresh garlic, you most certainly can, but the garlic powder seems to do the job. Give all of that a good stir, just like that. Right, no real rocket science, pretty easy to do, and just check it from time to time, see if it needs a little bit of salt, see if it needs a little bit of pepper, and look, you might want it a little bit more acidic. You can add in a little bit of extra apple cider vinegar if you like. Right, now Mrs. KP has cooked up a nice big batch of fusilli. Right, we've brought that down to room temperature. We're going to let that sit for a little bit. Right, now I've got some shaved smoked chicken. Now I cut this myself off smoked chicken breast. You can buy this from your supermarket or local delicatessen. They will take some chicken breast and shave it up for you, just nice and fine. I'm going to add in those beautiful tomatoes, right, just like that, and our egg that goes in, and as you can see, this is already starting to be quite a filling type of deal. Alright, but this sort of salad you can put down in the middle of the table, and it'll feed a lot of people. Alright, 1 mango cut up into nice little chunks, just like that. That can go straight in, nice and simple, and the mango with the smoked chicken just gives a nice yin-yang type of flavour to this particular dish. It just works. Give all of that a bit of a stir through, make sure our ingredients are sort of mixed up nicely. Okay, so just do that, nice and simple. Right, time to start getting this salad really funky. We're going to add in some avocado. I had some beautiful avocados that I found, and they were perfectly ripe. I'm just going to chunk that off just like that, put that straight in, and all these flavors just work together, trust me. Okay, so we've got everything mixed up just nice together, right? One more little bit of a mix through, and we're getting ready to put our dressing in and finish this beautiful salad off. Right, all that beautiful dressing that we made before, we're going to start drizzling that over just a little bit by little bit, and put a little bit in, give it a good stir through, and just keep adding until you think you've got enough dressing in that beautiful pasta salad that we're creating. So just give that a bit of a stir through, just like that. And look, don't worry if the mango gets a little bit crushed and the avocado gets a little bit crushed. It's not going to hurt this at all. Right, so we just keep adding a little bit and stir from time to time, and our salad is pretty much done. If you haven't tried making your own pasta salad before, you don't know what you're missing. It is so easy and so tasty, and you can play with lots of different flavors. In fact, if you subscribe to the channel, you will see all sorts of different styles of pasta salad. Mangoes are in season, So therefore I'm going with a mango type pasta salad, and I had smoked chicken in the refrigerator. So look, let's combine everything together. Before you know it, you've made KP's sort of fully loaded smoked chicken tropical pasta salad, however you want to call this. Just finish it off with a little bit of shaved parmesan or shaved pecorino, and there you go. What a beautiful, nice meal that is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make quite a substantial type meal that will even do lunch the next day, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat this amazing salad, and I will catch you next time. Bye.